Hello everyone, so the work has been done in a Citroen C4 2008 and we would like to share with you how it is done. At first we talked with the owner and we were going for just replacing the speaker because the speaker show up very cracking when he arrived. But when we start working we found that the factory head unit also get faulty. This one get faulty. It couldn't pull out the sound to the new speakers, which we actually add in 8 of the Pioneer component speakers on 4 doors, and at this moment you can see that the Pioneer tweeter stay here and the driver stay down there. Very nice and beautiful for all 4 doors, so 8 of them in total. And because the owner doesn't want to touch anything on the top, he want to keep the factory information board over there, so we actually walk over here and get the new 5-inch head unit replacement. This is not usual thing that we normally do in the car, but at least we fit it nicely. The one with 5-inch touchscreen, and it has FM radio, it has good equalizer to run the sound, and it has Bluetooth connection. It can read your USB, and it can read the music video from your USB. It can run music Bluetooth through this, and of course phone call Bluetooth over here. So far that's pretty much the thing that basic thing and make the owner happy with a good budget and thing, and now it looks nice. And the important thing is that all the speaker Pioneer component speaker, they run very nice, beautiful in all 4 doors. Yes, you know that in this car model we also have the option to go on the top with the 9-inch, but it will compromise this little screen, and in case you don't want to compromise this one, we will do the thing over here. Okay, we will go for the 7-inch. We also have the 7-inch that slide and pop up with the Android system and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto thing. So yep, check it out, and if you want to go for other option, you know that we have all of them ready. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.